or government spokesman. Nadhani ni mnenaji.
Hata mimi nadhani ni mnenaji. Manake kusema kuonekana kukiwa na usito. You know, it's an interesting office. And I think the pioneer of that office is now CS.
He is now a cabinet minister, a cabinet secretary.
Yes.
For tourism.
Yes. Daktari Alfred Mutua. And he used to be very passionate about that office.
No mwabiriri wa office hiyo.
Yes. And alikuwa anaona kuona hotel nyingi. Yale na vipindi.
You know, when you are speaking for the government,
yes,
maita maigene maria thirikari ikoragwo on the receiving end.
Yes.
Uguo no ri hagira menyonyo here and there.
You are not a motivational speaker.
No. People expect heavy answers from you.
Yes. Na dole hiti. Hiti ya musician. Yes. Ati ado nimeo kuhorera ruhe. They are there to bash you.
Yes.
Yes.
Na kuria ciuria njegana na ige very uncomfortable.
Actually na iria nyingi ciuragio ri. You know, people have issues with government anywhere in the world.
You know, give you first world.
Yes. They have issues with government. So gaturu akaure. Ria kwenda in as much as sometimes you'll be pushed to the wall. You have a kitu emotional intelligence. Todo mzunyeri. Basu baroiro.
Logo baroiro we. The current holder.
The current holder.
Mheshimiwa Mwaura.
Mheshimiwa Mwaura. Ni akinyete handu wara urugongo urarahuka.
Uma urarahuka.
Agua uma urarahuka agua ni kundirwo na ngati na komerera.
Na nyanyi.
You see, everyone has their breaking point. Because we are all actors in this game called Life. We are all actors. Yes. Kiria getu gaidagare ni emotional intelligence yako menya what to say where, when, why,
and how,
with whom, and
how.
Yes. No ni moni otindeka ruthingo-ini maundu mau magatukana.
Kano kama teaneria mothe in totality.
Yes. And there is always a war chant. Okewa mundu uga dauga onu mereke we.
Mweno ya maguru mana.
Kwaje mundu wa kwaria we. Kandu nginya athura ari igiri mundu wa mubuto omwe. Sidwe bebe. Esi ni kushoka koria mbere yatu. Ogeconoka.
Ni Mheshimiwa Mwaura irarakia hiokero agari mwandiki wa mohoro amuritie kiuria.
Yes.
Amuria kiuria kia uhoro wa cost ya ndege no ratuika ikuwete mugathe icera ria kuri America.
And it's a genuine concern.
It's a genuine concern.
Of course, the public have the right to know, and the media is the platform where they can get this
answers.
Mheshimiwa Mwaura hakufly.
Uhoro ucio ni uramwakandirie
akaweza kumjadilia maneno hata mengine hakuyachukua inchi hii. Alienda chini sana katafuta neno huko la masinga ombwa.
Ni ararumurureirie mata. You know, when you're in government, those are things you can expect.
It is expected. And they are only human anyway. Asiona ni ndora maundu mamwe ngona korone nie.
Mundu agukena raini iyo.
Yes. Ndora ngona ai.
Neke.
He maraka on behalf of ai. Mudoni mundu mauru. Okerumia andu bathure.
Mwaura araiguita kuria mundu ucio. Ni nuranyona thabari-ini iyo.
Uranyona kou.
Ithe tiweterere macokio morie.
We tu atuhega guku. Baba wakire mukaguo. Ne miario teo ne reha kwanja ruongo. Baba wakire mukaguo we. Nikurauga. Curi coka kuri.
Yo nä ciå ria itarä magå rå no maåra arakinyä te ira
magå rå nä atindä nginya karå thingo-inä kidogo å rwongo å karahå
å kauga rä u rä have been too conventional.
Yes.
You throw caution to the wind.
Yes. Wakinya handå the war spirit of your ancestors emanates.
Na ndå kanjå ria kä å ria ta kä u we
å karirikana nä må rä rå rä ra na njerero ka ciåria icio tware kwanyu nja nä kä njokie ciåria wega gå tinda hau ndå nä å mwe
å gwä tindä ra å ndå å mwe na nä njå nä gå tå må tå mä two
gäakä menya å rä a gå tå mä te ndwambe å thiä å raciä kå u å ratå må ai ka to gitara ti gutara ngĩhota gũtara president kwendekithia
no twendekithirie
president ethe kaũndũ ga gũkulaga ndao ta ũrĩa rĩu mzee Mwai Kibaki arĩ na hiyo ni kubafu na bure. Yes, rĩu mũgathe Uhuru nake aikagia guoko kwaretia nĩ mafie nako you need something a chance.
He is not immune to such.
He's not. You know, society nowadays, in the days we are in, kwe maundu magwetagwo ni andu guku ni ng'enda-ini utangiagwetire tene.
Hapana.
We. Mwana ni araheire kidogo.
No mora kiria ngerekite raithi nĩ kũrũga kĩũria kĩu.
Yes, you don't have to
ask. Aga ndũ ĩna anja rĩ wewe ruka.
No, that is a matter that I cannot disclose for now. I will be able to furnish you with the information as soon as I get and you will be taken nowhere.
Yes.
Yes. No one will take you anywhere. Yes.
Kama huna kũnjũria moria matarĩ na magũrũ
ngĩrwo aigua makĩũria ciũria ta icio no akinyire tu
kenda na